So I'm not sure if you can hear the sound, but when I click on the game, it gets louder, like if it's the fan or something. So that's when I have the game like on the to just the menu, and obviously I don't have a disc. That's Killer and Extinct. Then I press home button, so it kind of minimizes it, and the sound gets softer. But then when I go back into the game, it gets a little bit louder. I'm not sure if this is normal or not.